Dating today is like walking on a minefield. So being a player is now easier than ever because of social media and dating apps. Statistics show that as many as 50% of people on dating apps are already married or in a long-term committed relationship. This makes it convenient for a guy to put you last and spend time with his main girl. So how do you know if you're a side chick? Here are 10 signs. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's go. 1. He sends you a booty text. When he texts you, he doesn't waste any time asking about you or your day. His text gets straight to the point of getting you into bed. 2. He never spends the night. You've tried all types of things to get him to spend the night, but no matter how great a time you have with him, he always finds a reason to leave before sunup. 3. You don't date. He always wants to come over to your place to just chill. He never takes you out to a restaurant, movies or any public event even though you've mentioned you like to go out sometimes. 4. He constantly cancels on you. When he does schedule a date with you, something always comes up and he has to cancel without any real explanation, which leaves you feeling alone and lonely. 5. It's all on his terms. His rude take it or leave it attitude hurts your feelings when you complain about the lack of time you spend together. But he doesn't seem to care. Are you seeing signs you're a side chick? I've got more. 6. You never met his friends. When you ask about meeting his friends or family, he gives you some excuse why it's not a good time. But it doesn't ever seem to be a good time. 7. He gives you just enough attention. Just when you decide you've had enough, he knows all the right things to say and do to win you back, and you feel stupid for giving in to him. 8. No PDA. He has never shown any public displays of affection with you, even simply holding your hand is off limits. When you ask about it, he says that's just not his style. 9. He guards his phone. He never leaves his phone laying around and makes sure to hide his text messages from you. When you ask about it, he just brushes it off as no big deal. And finally, number 10, he's vague about his plans. When you try to set up time to be together, he's always vague about his plans and has to get back to you. He never commits to giving you a firm date, and it makes you feel unsure of yourself. If you recognize any of these signs, you're probably his side chick. Reconsider this relationship, you deserve so much more. Thanks for watching.